All right, we're back. We are back. It is Tuesday, September 30th. And again, wash, rinse, repeat. We have our
CRE.
scanners open. Um, sorry, I'm a little tired today.
CWVX,
Let's see
SBSW,
here. We're just going to go over
COOT,
the top gainers.
CRWV.
We don't have anything that's super gapped up. Let's take a look at the SPY, see what the SPY is at.
CRE.
All right, pulling back off the highs. Oh, we got actually, no, I'm wrong. So it looks like we had that check into the highs there. And then we had a pullback. That's a new high. Okay. And then we're on the right side of this here. So let's see what we got going on.
CRE.
Let's get into our watch list. Let's sort it by volume. So the ones with the higher volume will keep up there. These other ones, it's time for them to go.
CRE,
NUWE.
It looks like
CRE.
OTLK didn't give anything else to offer after yesterday's move in the morning. Let's take a look at the CRE. 122, looking to move into this gap
NUWE.
zone here. So the technicals look good. Float is a
CRE.
lower float, 13 million. We can work with that. And so we'll throw that on our watch list.
RELI.
It's funny because it's the same level OTLK was
NUWE.
at $1.27 yesterday when we sat down and put it on the watch list. It's funny.
CRE.
So we're already into this
RELI.
gap here. There's plenty more up there. Let's see what the news is. I don't see any
YAAS.
news on Thinkorswim. So
CRE.
then we go to Trader View. Or Trading View, I'm sorry. And I don't see any news here either. That's a little odd. So why is it moving? Let's check out dilution tracker. See what we're actually working with here.
RELI.
Hong Kong. Okay. Not in love with that.
CRE.
It's moving, but don't know if I want to trade that. I mean, we have gap fill overhead. But it's a Hong Kong company, which is basically a Chinese company. Uh, hmm.
HTZ,
Interesting.
CRE.
CRE,
I mean, it's moving.
HTZ.
It's kind of at the highs. Um, hmm. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not super thrilled over this.
CRE.
I know it's moving, but I do not like to trade Chinese and names if I can help it. It's the only thing. It's a leading gapper though. We got SPRC poking around again. Let's take a look at SPRC.
APM.
See if there's something we should be trading on here. We traded this last week. That float is super, super low. 500,000 shares.
CRE.
There's really company. So we just had some type of Trump Netanyahu meeting
APM.
thing going on there. Could that be connected? Could potentially be. I'm not sure though. It looks to be a drug company. I don't know how that would affect the drug company. So this
NEBX.
deal, this company's going to
CRE.
buy some shares. It's not a ton of shares.
CRE.
Well, when you got a 500,000 float, that could move the needle a little bit. But it makes me wonder if this drug was so good, why would they sell it instead of trying to capitalize off of it?
APM.
CRE is just kind of moving
CRE.
without us. I don't like how extended it is.
CRE.
We do have all this gap fill up here. We have volume, we have gap fill. It's a lower priced. It seems to be the one that most traders are looking at right now. It doesn't make me excited to trade it though. APM. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything moving on news. APM looks like it just kind of broke out of a technical pattern. I'll put that on there on the watch list. APM's moving on super low volume. Not something I want to deal with. And to be honest with you, CRE doesn't have a ton of volume either. Investment Trust. Care Investment Trust. I don't know. Yeah, I can't really read that. And I don't see the momentum that I need as it stands. I mean, we have these big moves, pullbacks, big moves, pullback. We could potentially see another move. I'm not totally sold on it. I mean, we have this gap. It's kind of quiet here.
ZOOZ.
We're kind of stacked here on the level too. Yeah, I don't like this. So let's sit here and just watch. If it changes my mind at some point, then so be it. I got APM over here that's moving, but it's moving on super low volume. And I just do not like that. Let's see here. Float on APM, 4.31 million. Volume on APM, pretty much garbage. All right. 65,000 shares traded. Pattern's cool, but the volume's it's not good. History says this thing kind of moves and gets crushed. Up and then down. Kind of moves, gets crushed. Sort of what we see. So right now our leading gainer in the market is going to be a CRE, and it looks like crap. It's a Chinese Hong Kong name. I know I've been saying this every morning the last 3-4 mornings, but it looks like it's going to be a slow day from the looks of things. We don't have any gappers up over 100%. Our leading gapper is a Hong Kong name with a or non-existent catalyst. What was the catalyst on this thing? I have no news on it. All we have is a technical through the gap. So we'll wait to the bell. Maybe it picks up on the bell and wants to rush up through this gap somewhere. I'll just be cautious on it. It's going to be a slow one. So we'll watch the scanner, which is dead slow too. Ben F is a sub-dollar stock. Let's see. I only trade the sub-dollar ones if they are really, really, really fired, like cranking, like fired up, because then I can take 1,000 shares of it, and if it moves a penny or two, then I'm good. How is that?
Most people are too lazy to do this, but it saves homeowners.
Does it now? All right, CRE looks like it's down, sort of where we want it to be at. Let's just take a look at this real quick. 7 million float. Earnings. Maybe that's where we're having some slow momentum. Let me just check the calendar.
APM.
All right, Trump speaks at 11 today. Oh, no, but this is yesterday's. Yeah, I'm not thrilled with this. Not at all. I'm going to go grab a cup of coffee. So I will be right back.
CWVX. APLD.
IBG. SKYQ.
DWTX. DWTX.
Oh, would you look at that? CRE in the dumps. These Chinese names you got to be careful with. This is my girlfriend's cup. She's big
DWTX.
into my lady. So girlfriend of mine sounds crazy. She's big into spooky season. Girl drops a bag every year on Halloween. And I'm a little frugal, so I just got to keep my mouth to myself sometimes and just shut up and let her do her thing. Because if it wasn't for her, we probably wouldn't have any Halloween stuff out there.
CRE.
We all got a part to play, right?
APLD.
Now that it's come down into this level, and here, let me get my shit together here. We'll see how it reacts to that level. Right, we had this reduction in volume. And again, wash, rinse, repeat. You're going to notice that these are the same themes. I'm going to take a small trade here.
CRE.
What the hell happened there? Hold up, dog. Hold up. What am I doing here? Rejected. Your order is what? Okay. So Charles Schwab sometimes won't let you trade some of these Chinese names. And that's what's happening right now. So I press the button and it's basically telling me to go F myself. What they're trying to do is to keep me safe. I didn't ask them to keep me safe, but that's what they're trying to do. And every now and then you'll come in and you'll see something that takes off,
CRE.
especially on Charles Schwab. So maybe I should be on. Maybe I should open up my Webull account as a secondary account too, in case I can't take some of these trades. But they're just trying to protect us or protect themselves. I don't know what but they won't let me take that trade. Excuse me. So yeah, today's slow.
CWVX.
Again, I got things to do today, so
CRWG.
I got things to do every day. It is what it is, right?
CRWU.
Just hoping to get some content out. It's going to be some really lame content today, but some days are like this. You know what I mean? We'll see what the bell has to offer us when we get that flush of trading volume. Maybe something takes off on some good news, something that we can identify and jump on and make a couple bucks off of it.
CWVX. CRWG. CRWU.
What is up with all the CRWs? CRWU, CRWG, CRW, CWVX. Yeah, what the hell is all that about? Whatever it is, I'm not touching it. And this is part of it. Some days suck, man. Some days are just like this. Yeah, in the past, I
CWVX,
would have just kind of been bored
CRWG,
and took a trade off of boredom and got smoked, and I'm not going to allow myself to do that. Look, I'm learning. Look at that.
CRWV,
CRE looking to bounce to that level where I wanted to take a trade, but I would have been out very
CRE.
quickly on this. I probably would have gave it
CWVX,
small risk.
CRWG,
I would have took 3-4 cents off of it, 5 cents off of it, because I don't trust these Chinese names, and I can't trade it anyway. It's a little frustrating when they take off. There was one a couple of weeks ago that just took off, and I couldn't get any part of it. I'd be selling into this level here. I
CRWV,
just don't trust it. And if you look down here at the box,
CRWU,
I mean, there's a ton of
APLD,
buyers stepping in,
CRE.
CWVX,
right? Let's see if it lifts.
RENB.
Yeah, you really can't read this tape. Something's going on here. They may be spoofing some stuff, but something's going on here that's not right. It doesn't feel right. Doesn't look right.
CRE.
CRWG, APLD,
APLD. I've traded before, so let's take a peek at that.
RENB.
That's a little high, huh? What else we got? RENB. I traded that before.
CORZ,
That looks like crap. I'm not gonna waste my time with that. Not even a little bit.
CRE.
Nice bounce off that prior low
CRWG,
for CRE. Unfortunately, we cannot trade it on Thinkorswim.
EFTY.
So this may be a no
RELI,
trade day.
RELI.
CWVX,
Unfortunately, that it's like that sometimes.
CRWV,
But I'll take a no trade day off of losing anything that I've gained over the course of the last few days.
CRWG,
RELI.
Let's look at RELI, another
RELI,
name that I recognize. This one sort of shoots up, comes back down. This is a dangerous one.
RELI.
See if we got news on it. We have some digital treasury assets, something to do with XRP.
CWVX,
So they're storing Bitcoin. That's or Ethereum, Cardano. They're storing them. And we've seen some of these type of news headlines move stocks. It may be a little long in the tooth, though. All right, we're into our previous high. $192. I got a big candle here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hold up 1 second. Big candle here. One decent volume. This is where we're at now. This is today's high. If we get up into this upper band, maybe I'll take a trade on this over this 120. So let's get ready for it in case it wants to go. Not in love with the volume though.
CORZ.
Yeah, volume's kind of light. A lot of red on the tape. Got some stacking on the bid and the ask. Yep. It's one of them days. One of them days. Back to the scanner.
EFTY.
So days like this, you wanna be you want to acknowledge that they're slow because you don't want to force any trades. This is you could lose money hand over fist on a day like today. Just kind of being bored. This is where that patience comes into play.
EFTY.
EFTY high day. It's a higher price for me, but I want to look and see
EFTY.
if something like this moves. I want to know why it moves. Maybe there's a lower price stock that's similar. Float is 4.82 million. I'm just not getting news on anything either. Like everything's just kind of moving on technicals. Like what the hell is that? Like why is this moving? But is this a newer stock? Newer stock probably popped up over its recent its prior high. And then you get like a blue sky setup when you break the prior high on an IPO, a recent IPO. That could be a big move. That's probably what happened here. But this happened over the course of a few days. We had a pin bar down here. Now
UMG.
we're back up. Let me take a look at this. EFTY. Let's
BBLG.
take a look at this. I mean, opportunity is opportunity. Okay, so there's no volume here though. But I like the run up. Let me show you guys this. Just take this off one more time. Look at this. That's nice.
UFG.
It's a nice move. 200%
BBLG.
from where it broke out. Or I'm sorry, 100%. Excuse me, 100% from where it broke out.
UNFI.
I want to get, I gotta get a stream deck because I want to be able to have a couple weird little sound clips. I want that clip from Justin Bieber when he was like, "It's not clicking, it's not whatever the hell he said."
EFTY.
I want to be able to send that through. That shit was funny. BBLG. Crap. So we kind of missed this early takeoff. So the play today was probably CRE earlier in the day. It looks like it took off around 8 o'clock. But again, doesn't matter if you're on Thinkorswim, you couldn't trade it regardless. So we're just gonna sit here and watch this scanner. We're just
YCBD.
gonna sit here and watch the scanner. There's a little opportunity in here. I moved to what was it, 110, back up to 115, and then it's coming back down. Looks like it's rolled over. We're looking like, it looks like this is going to be the backside of the move. If it doesn't like stick the landing in here and take off, this thing is probably dead for the day.
YCBD.
Bing, 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 bing. Let's see what we get. Is there anything that's worth a damn? I got the plug, you heard? Got the plug still. Eh?
OPEN.
The ox fuck with me, you know what I mean?
LYFT.
UFG.
RGTI.
Ugh. All of it's horrible. It's all nasty.
UEC.
UFG. DPRO. PDM.
IREN.
TBH. STGW.
QS.
He's a little late on that, huh?
ERS halted. RAYA will resume at 9 hours
IBG.
35
Shout out to
minutes and
Zendu,
16
all right? The
seconds.
Zendu scanner, because before
IBG.
something like this, you would have to
RGTI.
use, like if you
NIO.
didn't pay for a scanner,
SPRC.
you'd have to use like the trade
CORE.
ideas, and if you use one that was on
BENF.
YouTube like that, it's like delayed 5 minutes. It's absolutely fucking
AG.
useless. I mean, it'll key you in on the stocks that are moving, but by the time you get
UFG.
there, that the initial move that caused the
DPRO.
scanner to trigger
PDM.
is probably going to be over.
WDC. RCAT.
I do have some other
STGW.
little hacks and stuff, and I'll update
FSM.
my
GP.
top resources for
PTNM.
beginner trader.
IBG.
It's a little old now. I will
ASST.
update that, and I want to do one based on
RGTI.
what we got here,
GLXY.
DRPO atomized
IBG.
range. But you know what?
SPRC.
Let's see what's
CWVX.
going on here.
CWVX.
DRPO. What happened? Was it DRPO?
ASST.
CRWG.
DPRO.
CRWG.
PRGS. CRW.
News.
UFG. DPRO.
This is a drone company.
CRWU.
It has something to do with drones,
CRE.
DUO.
which we know
UUUU.
if it's not now a
QS.
catalyst, it will be.
IBG.
We had a little
ASST.
gap fill. You guys can't
TIC.
see this, but there's a little bit of gap fill that it went through already.
IBG.
Looks like the next
CWVX.
level
SPRC.
that we have, 11.50,
NUAI.
$11 in that range.
CRWG.
PAYS.
CRE. CRWU.
CRWG.
All these CRs.
CRWU.
RELI.
CRWV. EXK.
IBG.
Can I vape on camera?
PAYS.
I shouldn't be vaping at all.
CWVX.
CWVX.
And now I buy them when I get stressed out, and I'll like
NUAI.
smoke them down like 80%, then I throw them in the garbage.
CRWG.
Eventually,
EFTY.
my better
EPOW.
sense is gonna say, dude,
EPOW.
you're throwing away money, and I'm just gonna stop
SPRC.
buying them. That's what the hope is.
CRE. CRWU.
I'm gonna turn my
BENF.
cam off for a second. I don't want to influence
RELI.
nobody.
CRWG. CRWU. CRWV.
SGLY.
ITRG.
YCBD.
YCBD
CWVX.
was moving yesterday. Let's take a look at that.
CWVX. NFE.
NUAI. CRWG. EPOW.
EPOW.
Look at this DRPO.
DDC.
Look at that DPRO, straight up and
DENF.
straight down. Look at that.
CRWU.
Down a whole
RELI.
goddamn dollar from the high off the bell. Nasty. I'm surprised it didn't halt.
WOLF.
Nasty work.
NUAI.
NUAI.
YCBD.
AI.
SGLY.
NUAI?
SKYQ. IBG. NUAI. EPOW.
We got a news on that?
FATE.
Not new.
EPOW.
The sucker's moving though. Look at that.
SGLY.
But it came from 32
BENF.
cents.
LFMD.
Uh,
RAYA may resume in less than a
Scary
minute.
shit.
CRWG.
The music could come down, and it's not in a great spot right now. It already kind of cracked here.
CWVX.
Looks like it bounced off this
CRWU.
level here.
CRWV.
This could come back again. I
YCBD.
wouldn't mess with that.
BQ. ANAB. SGLY.
ANAB. DVLT.
NUAI. EPOW. SKYQ.
ZURA.
I'll give it another 10, 15 minutes, and if I can't
EPOW.
find nothing, I'm just gonna go. Okay, see
CREG.
ASST. I would look at that, but I don't
Ever
really see a
wondered what
reason
your
to.
home looks like from
That thing
space?
took off
And
and then got crushed. So it seems to be a theme.
CWVX.
Seems to be a theme here
NFB.
today. And this is that rhyming thing that I
UFG.
talked about in the last video that
IONZ.
you all should be watching.
SNDK.
SPRC.
Some things
ASST.
rhyme. When you see other
CRE.
stocks moving, crashing, and things of that nature, that
MCTR.
means that you could have that throughout the whole day. ASST back up.
CRWG.
That we're not going to ignore. Nothing moving like that. We're not.
CRWV. CWVX.
ASST.
Got a
SOC.
level here that it looks like it's trying to
BQ.
get into.
SNDK.
MSS.
Good
DVLT.
chance. Okay, so it hit that level and
CREG.
decided it didn't want to go. Above that level, there's some
HOVR.
gap fill. Let's see if we get back over that
CRE.
250,
KALA.
260, and hold and look to move higher. Oh, my bad. Hold up.
ASST.
CRML. ASST.
All right, let's go. Let's get ready here.
CRWG. CWVX. CRWU. BTQ. PRGS.
This is going to be a
OSEW.
one and done day.
FAT.
Win, lose, or draw.
DUO. CRWV.
CRE is popping
OLV.
off again. Unfortunately, we
CREG.
can't trade that. All right, here's what I wanted. 260.
CRE.
Let's see. Volume stepping in
SKYQ.
on this ASST.
CRE.
ASST.
Give me some more. Give me something to work with.
ASST.
256, 258 is going to be the level I trade against if we show
CWVX.
some momentum. And then I decide to punch it.
PRGS.
WOLF. OLB. CRE.
Doesn't look like it wants to be above that level.
DVLT.
SKYQ.
Rejection.
FATE.
Looks like it's slightly above it. Got above it. Come back down. Sort of another rejection. It doesn't want to be above
SPRC.
that level. And then I got a lot of stocks that are just pulling back.
WOLF.
Pushing and then pulling back. This is a
PLG.
day where you can get yourself in trouble. Sizing down.
IONZ.
Just
OLB.
acknowledging that. And sizing down.
SKYT. THS. FATE. UNFI.
Patience is absolutely a virtue when it comes to trading. There's no other way. You cannot assert your will on the market.
OLB.
PLG.
Nope. We don't want that. We don't want nothing to do with that. Even CRE took a move, spiked into the highs, and then ended up crashing back down. So this is clearly a theme for today. The
MTE
rhythm
halted.
is things are going to spike
MTE
and
will
crash.
resume at
Do I
9
know
hours,
why?
42
No, I do
minutes
not,
and
but I can
29
acknowledge
seconds.
that it's happening.
IONZ. SKYT. INVZ.
No, I don't like
PLG.
this. None of this crap.
FATE.
ASTL, low volume. Right, on low volume right here. 134 ain't gonna cut it. That's not gonna cut it. Excuse me.
DPRO.
IONZ. SKYT.
So you hear some people say trade like a sniper. A sniper's gonna lay in wait and not just gonna take a shot, just any shot. He's gonna wait for his shot to take. He's gonna wait for the wind to be right. He's gonna calculate
MSS.
the
UNFI.
rotation of the
NEVB.
Earth's on its axis in the whole 9 yards, right? That's what a
DPRO.
sniper's gonna do.
RAYA
Wait for
may
his
resume in less
shot.
than a minute.
Where he can
IBG.
put himself in the best ability, best place to win. We're gonna pull up this FATE, even though I don't like this either, because what we're getting a spike on this,
IONZ.
and the theme of the day is
SKYT.
spike and then drop. this volume isn't
FATE.
telling me that anyone's excited about this. I
ROBN.
have some bullshit news over here. Clinical
UNFI.
stage, company dedicated to
CRE.
bring da 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 da. Yeah. Something about comments issuing common stock. That I'm not excited about that. The technicals don't say that I should be excited about it. The news doesn't say I should be excited about it. Other traders aren't excited about it. If I was going to put my money on anything, this thing crashes like the rest of them have.
SKYT. STAK. CRCA. FATE. NUVB.
So with these wide bands on
ROBN.
CRE, if I was a trader, I would
VERI.
try to trade the
ZOOZ.
pullbacks, not anything into the
CRE.
highs.
ARRY.
Fate at 118. It's going to go higher. I don't see any gap fill.
BIAF.
There's nothing here that makes me want to deal with this.
ZYBT. STAK.
It looks like it's just kind of breaking out of its trend,
CREG. PTNM.
longer term trend, right?
ROBN. CRCA.
CRE.
STAK. SNDK.
And where our next level is up and to the
EPOW.
left
ANGX.
here.
ANGX.
High volume day.
FATE.
And then
CLGN.
here, there's probably going to be bag holders in here. So we could see this potentially pull back sharply.
STAK. ZYBT.
CRE
GOVX.
pushing higher.
NFE.
CREG.
UPXI.
Can't trade it though, so
ROBN.
whoop-de-doo.
EPOW.
Whoop-de-doo.
ANGX.
STAK.
PTIX.
SKYT. SNDK.
Yeah, this looks like a bunch of
CLGN.
bull traps. This is a trappy day.
MTEN may resume in less than a minute.
SKYQ. STAK.
WOLF.
GOVX. WOLF.
So this tells me
CREG.
that the opportunity is going to be earlier in pre-market, which is unfortunate for me because I got to get these kids
CRE.
ready in the morning
EPOW.
and I can't get up at that time.
STAK. PLG. ANAB.
Yeah, 7 o'clock,
ROBN.
8 o'clock. All right,
MSS.
8 o'clock, spike,
SKYT.
pull back. 9 o'clock,
STAK.
spike, pull.
CRE.
9:30ish,
WOLF.
so does these spikes.
QLGN.
So
ZOOZ.
WOLF.
VERI.
MSS.
MSS from yesterday was really beat up. Popped off early in the morning, early pre-market. Got its ass kicked throughout the rest of the day.
PLG. SKYT. NUVB. ZOOZ.
Yeah.
WOLF.
I know Wolf is a higher price stock, but when it gets going, it gets going. Let's take a look at it.
MSS.
MSS.
Back to MSS.
VERI.
And what's actually moving now, again, is the CRE, is the one with the
CRE.
opportunity, but we just can't do anything
PLG.
about it. MSS into
NUVB.
VWAP
NSRX halted.
on good volume.
NSRX will
URA.
resume at 9 hours 48 minutes and
BAIG.
1 second.
But is it
ZOOZ.
going to crack once it
BAIG.
hits VWAP?
SKYT.
Trading into VWAP isn't
CREG.
really smart
MSS.
because we're sort of at the highs.
MSS. ZURA. PLG.
ZURA.
NUVB.
Zora from yesterday.
CREG.
Nice move on Zora. Floats a little high on Zora though.
IMAB.
And we have
ZURA.
the news is price target
ZURA.
by
resume in
type of
less
capital company. Sheridan Capital maintains buy on Zora. $10 price
CREG.
target. I just don't like the float. Float on
IBG,
Zura, 41 million. A little high for me.
IMAB,
ZURA,
NFE, PLG, NUVB,
MSS,
ANAB,
All right, we'll give it to 10 o'clock and then we're out of here.
APLD, SMCX,
IBG, NUAI,
NUAI, because it
NFE,
has an AI in its name.
MSS,
Let's take a look at it though. Looks like we may have a pattern form in there on that one.
QUBX,
SPRC, STAK,
Yeah,
NUAI,
I don't like that it cracked already.
STAK,
And this may be like allowing shorts to just kind of load into their positions for another
BREA,
downturn. I'm not in love with, yeah, with it.
ZYBT,
THS,
EFTY,
SPRC.
SPRC,
VERI, APLD, SMCX,
We're a little late on that.
PLG,
NUAI,
PRGS,
The volume isn't
BKKT,
great. We have resistance above. Not happy about that.
EFTY,
NFE,
Oh, that was a nice spike. I missed
SPRC,
that.
SPRC,
We got volume stepping in here
PRGS,
though.
BIAF, and SRX may resume in less than a minute.
Look at that pin bar drop. Look at that drop. 30-cent drop. Let's see if it turns. If it turns off
EFTY,
that drop and we see volume pick up, I'll look to get him on board. Small size, quick scalp. I don't like the red volume bar. See if we get a turn.
BKKT,
CREG,
BIAF, QLGN, NUVB,
We're just kind of hovering underneath this VWAP.
CLIK,
I'm in here. 55.
BKKT, BIAF, SMCX,
I'm out. 65 was it? 63 I got out. I didn't take big sizes. I don't like this. I'm in here
NUVB,
70s.
SPRC,
I'm out again.
CLIK,
Got out 78.
SPRC,
Not a ton.
BKKT,
I don't like how high it is now. I mean, it's into this gap,
NRXP,
previous candle gap. On high volume
NUVB,
that slammed.
SPRC,
Let me move my camera. But I don't like that it slammed, so that tells me that there's probably some bag holders in there. So a bag
CREG,
holder are guys who got squeezed out. They traded it up. They traded it up too high, and instead of when it pulled
CLIK,
back,
may
stopping
resume in
out when
less
they
than
were
a
supposed
minute.
to, they held on to it. So now when it moves back up, they're going to be looking to dump into any strength. That I do not like.
BKKT,
Let's see if it sits over 7.
SPRC,
SPRC,
I just don't
BHAT.
like that it dropped 30 cents last time I got up here. That's not cool. And it's not like I'm making 30
BREA.
cents a share on it. So it may not be worth it to
CREG.
me.
INVZ.
CLIK.
More risk than it's worth. Especially trading into the highs on a day like this when everything's like a lot of these stocks are pushing into the highs and then just kind of
BKKT.
pulling back. See that? That's what I'm worried
SPRC.
about. Stuff like that.
UAVS. QLGN. INVZ.
CLIK.
IONZ.
BQ.
BKKT. NFE.
CLIK.
LASE. CLIK. BQ.
There's a breakout here forming. Let's see if we can
BQ.
get over that 7. Show some strength over 7.
SPRC. IMAB. BKKT.
Yeah, I don't know if it's smart to
INVZ.
take breakouts though.
NFE. IONZ.
CLIK.
UAVS. LASE.
Let's see what else we got going on. Is there anything decided wanted to
BQ.
take off?
PRGS. CLIK.
BQ.
BKKT. IMAB.
CLIK.
IONZ.
IBG.
LASE. BQ. INVZ.
BQ.
CLIK.
All right, let's look for a turn off of this.
CLIK.
BKKT. BQ. INVZ.
BQ.
So we're pulling back into this kind of level here. This area in here where we had some
CLSK.
trading into VWAP. All right, let's see what
IMAB.
happens off of that. Big candle on a 5-minute, but it's hard to trade.
BKKT. INVZ.
BQ.
BKKT's out of my price range. It's at
LASE.
$28, $29 and going higher, but there's too much space in between there. If that thing pulls back, it could pull back $1, 50 cents, something like that. I don't want that.
PRGS. IMAB.
I'm in here. SPRC 680, 678.
BKKT.
I'm off of this. Got out 676.
WOLF.
WOLF. LASE.
CRE.
NXXT. IMAB.
BQ.
NUVB. BKKT. RAYA may resume in less than a minute.
I'm in 693. I'm off it.
CLIK.
SPRC.
Got cooked there. Buying into the
SPRC.
highs. Sold at 678, so I lost 693 to 688 over 10 cents.
WOLF. NXXT. NUVB. LASE.
Yeah, these pushes into the high
BEEM.
are deadly today.
BQ.
IBG.
CLIK.
We had the volume
SPCE.
spike. It just didn't follow through. I'm in now 689, 685.
CLIK. NUVB.
I gotta get off of it.
BQ.
PTNM.
And then I'm hitting market, and my market orders are so high. Like, what is happening? 685 I'm in.
IBG. LASE. CRNC.
CLIK.
BEEM.
Gotta get out of there. All right, red day. That's what
BQ.
happens. Woo, got out
WOLF.
just in time. Now look at that drop.
CLIK.
So today would have been a better day
NUVB.
for me not to trade, but it
BQ.
is what it is. It's just part of the game. You're gonna win some, you're gonna lose some.
TIC.
And I went against my better judgment. Just trying to make something happen.
CLIK.
Yeah, the
RENB.
writing was on the wall. And even, you know, I'm still working on that.
WOLF.
Just like, you know, the writing was on the wall. There wasn't a lot of momentum today.
NUVB.
I saw that everything that was pushing into the highs was getting rejected. So it is what it is. Those big couple candles
PTNM.
and that volume spike
TIC.
kind of
MSS.
tricked me a little bit.
YCBD.
LASE.
WOLF. CLIK.
Yeah, this thing's getting wrecked. All right, shoulda, woulda, coulda.
WOLF.
All right, so that's it for today. This is a red day, so
NUVB.
we're gonna get out of here. I used up all my buying power anyway. I put some more money into the account, but it hasn't taken hold yet, so probably won't for another day or two.
MSS.
So it is what it is, man. We're gonna
IBG.
shut this one down, and today is a
YCBD.
red day. All right, I'll
WOLF.
check y'all tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have more better volatility. Or, you know, we're gonna walk into tomorrow cautiously, because this may be an indicator of the small cap market cooling down a little bit, and I don't want to get caught up giving back everything that I
CLIK.
gained over the last
NUVB.
week or two. So we're gonna shut this one down.
NXXT.
Red day recap. I'll check y'all
MSS.
tomorrow. Good day, good trading. Trader Blaze signing out.
YCBD.